Yeah.
Is it fall yet?
No? So the place we're going to today.
Crack.
All about crack.
Family crack day.
Come on.
Sorry.
Anybody
It's a family fall festival day, guys. Nothing to do with crack.
But the place we're going is the Stickley Museum.
Oh.
How do we get there?
That's why I asked you that.
Oh man, I was looking up Gustav Stickley.
Who?
Gustav Stickley. Stickley was influential in creating the craftsman home style in the early 20th century.
That sounds boring. Let's just go have some fall fun.
All right, we'll just have some fall fun. What the heck? This looks like it.
This looks like it.
Jackson, what are you painting?
A pumpkin.
No, what are you painting on the pumpkin?
A face.
You got?
A pumpkin. What is that pumpkin?
What made you choose this design?
I don't know. I'm just going along with what I want. I'm making a sunset.
Making a sunset on a pumpkin?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Wait, I want to take a picture of you on the pumpkin. Why are you making that face?
Hey, look at the line
I can't say.
for the horse rides. It's like an hour-long ride for the horse rides.
Uh-huh.
You think the kids are going to want to do it?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
For sure.
I don't know if you know this. They have paper crafts.
What?
Paper crafts.
You need help, miss? Okay.
What are you making, Jackson? A bead?
Put her stinger on first.
We have the drones out of the
Okay.
There you go.
Did you make a bead too?
Yeah, she made a big.
Yep.
I like it.
Draw 3 lines and
You
then
got,
put
you
your
need
stripes
3
on.
stripes, yep.
Draw 3 lines on here, honey. It's easier if you just draw the lines on here.
With the glue, buddy. With the glue. Listen
Draw
to
the
her.
lines of
Draw
glue
the
on
lines
there.
on the
There
glue,
you go.
and then you could just stick it right on the top of
Stick
it.
right on. There you go.
Jessica, I'm gonna go meet you at Flower.
Please hold it up even in the sun. I'm impressed.
Yay!
There you go.
Awesome, buddy.
Good job.
Good job.
Let me see.
Abby.
Buzz, 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 buzz.
And she throws herself around.
Sting. What kind of punish should I eat? Taste both. Okay.
Ooh, yummy. I see all you guys with your stick.
Yeah, what if you break the glass and all the beans go flat?
Oh, that's so cool.
Garbage bag right over here.
I feel tall.
So you are going to count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 is important. 2 goes over 3. Can you do that? 2 goes over 3? Yes. And see where it landed? There's this pink and this orange. Take those in 2 hands and move them one to the left. Good.
That one must take forever.
We hope you get a chance to
glass on the
and sometime real soon. Look for us in concerts and parades around the area. And again, if you're interested in learning more about our band, please see me right after this last number.
Hanging out. Family fun day. Morris Plains. It's really weird vlogging in public. Everybody stares at the person with the camera. What are you doing? Why do you have a camera? What are you filming for?
Here we go. All right, this is good. I'm gonna lift it up. I'm gonna go like this. Watch. Let's do one more. I'm gonna do one more of these. Sometimes you just think, now we're not. No problem. I've been doing this for. Looks like you've been doing it forever. All right, that's a nice composition actually. I really like that. But you gotta get this down. Get it down on there. Can't put paint on until my hand is up. Okay? Count with me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, there we go. Let's get yours on a plate. It's doing very nice. Nice. There we go. If you want to roll, do it with the pencil. Decide if that doesn't have a point on it, you may want to get one with a point. I think it's good. But it'll be good. Good. Mom's a good judge of that. So let's get it.
I want to make it a sunset, sort of.
Would you like to use this cutter or this one? Here. Now we can go like this.
A yellow for the bottom.
You got it. Pull up with the purple. There. Nice. Nice. Now you gotta pick out something you think's gonna look nice. Daddy's beautiful. Now, he gets to do the. You wanna pull up on this right now?
I like that.
Can you pull that too? Peel up. Oh, gorgeous. I love it in colors. The impression. Yeah. It's almost like a not the paint that somebody painted. You don't want to roll. Use your fingers. Use your fingers. Rolling might make it green. Let's get some yellow for you guys. There's not only just one way to do this, by the way.
Yeah.
You can try different things. That one's
It's
red,
good.
So let's find out what
It's good.
It's good. More music. Beep beep.
These guys have been asking me to get a puppy. I've been saying no. I'm gonna make a deal. If you guys get us to 1,000 subscribers, I'll let them get a puppy.
Guys, we have to get a puppy, so please subscribe us.
1,000 subscribers on YouTube,
Yep, please do
and
it.
the White House will get a puppy.